Insert the banana into the bitter melon. Instantly become the signature dish of a 5-star hotel. Many people have not eaten. I'm eat this. And try it. Take out the bitter gourd we have prepared. Everyone is choosing bitter gourd. Buy bitter gourd with a discount. Easier to operate later. Wash the bitter melon again. Rub with your hands. The outer layer of bitter gourd, there will be a lot of sunken lines. You have to scrub the bitter melon carefully. The sunken lines, you should also be careful. It may be mixed with dust, cheese, or eggs. Eat it after it is washed, don't worry. Change the water and rinse it off. Dry moisture. The washed bitter melon on the tray. Remove the head and tail first. Cut the bitter gourd in half from the middle to the degree of bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is big. Divide it into 3 equal parts. It's all cut. You get a long-handled spoon. The long handle of a spoon. The seeds and white flesh in the center of bitter gourd. Flesh tastes more bitter. People will habitually remove it. Cooking vegetable sprouts with bitter gourd. The flesh inside will really take it to the next level. Cleaning up all the bitter gourd. Again first, and then use it for backup. Add water to the pot and bring to a boil over high heat. Much water as possible. Boils. Let's add a spoonful of cooking oil to it. Bitter gourd in the pot and fry the water again. Step uses cooking oil. Make the color of bitter gourd. Better at a distance. Also subtract the bitterness of bitter gourd. Without we eat it. So painful. A bitter melon soup to soften and turn emerald green. Control. Water to cool. Not only make the color of bitter gourd brighter, green can also maintain the crisp taste of bitter gourd. Control the water and fish it out. Bitter gourd aside and drain for later use. We will prepare a handful of wolfberry. To wash the wolfberry. Buying wolfberry in bulk. Process of processing, transportation, and purchase. Inevitably be contaminated by impurities. It's best to wash it before eating. Control the water, remove it, and put it aside for later use. We add a spoonful of dried starch to our bowl. A ball of water. The dry starch and cover it for later use. We can take out the prepared bananas and the skin of the banana. Half of the banana. Take out the drained bitter melon. Banana into the hole in the middle of the bitter gourd. Put the banana into the hole in the middle of the bitter gourd. Straight ahead. For the front end of the incense rack. Just in the tail space of bitter gourd. Making sure it has been filled with bitter gourd. Use it to put the incense rack. The slice of bitter gourd. Out this time. See the hole in the middle of the bitter gourd. already filled with bananas. Put the remaining bitter gourd. Fill it with bananas in the same way. All the bitter gourd is filled with bananas. The bitter gourd on the chopping board again. Cut the bitter gourd into thick slices one by one with a knife. This is about 1–2 centimeters. As thick as possible. Banana in the middle like this. So easy to fall out. You can see that bitter gourd is very beautiful. Banana smells inoffensive in the middle. To be what bitter gourd itself looks like. Adding all the bitter gourd. Step down and we can start setting the plates. Bitter gourd on a plate one by one. Them as neatly as possible. We add a little water to the pot. The right amount of rock sugar. On a small fire and stir fry the rock candy. Same time, keep stirring with a shovel or spoon. Rock sugar even in the pot. Gradually melt. Temperature rises. The color of the sugar solution gradually turn reddish brown or brown. Process. The liquid will release more fragrance. Watering. We pour in the water starch. Well again. Till it unfolds again. Turn it into a slightly thick state like this. Off the fire. Evenly on bitter gourd. We take the wolfberry. Wolfberry on each piece of bitter gourd. Wolfberry on the surface of the banana and garnish it. It's beautiful. Our food is ready. Dish is made with bitter gourd and bananas. All the hard work. Amazing to hear this name. It will taste better. Bitter taste of bitter gourd. And holding the soft waxy banana. A little bit of sweetness. Fabulous combination. The meaning of the name is also very good. If you will be conquered by his delicious taste. No matter how busy or tired everyone is, or to eat on time too. In a healthy diet. Also like this delicious dish. Give me a like. Live a beautiful life together. This summer, you can enjoy the taste of apricot powder. Get to follow me for your support. This next time.